How to fix USB device over current status detected error when booting Windows PC. To fix USB device over current status detected error when booting Windows PC, try 1. Disconnect active USB devices one by one. Use one only, then boot your PC. 2. Shut down your PC completely. Unplug the power cable. Unplug USB connectors from your motherboard. 3. Check your USB internal port in your computer's case. 4. Google how to update your existing BIOS. 5. Replace current motherboard if possible.